Hi guys, so I have another birthday challenge entry, and this is from Zenobia. And yeah, I like opened it already. I didn't like go through it, I just opened it so that you wouldn't see her address. But it looks like she has this super cute card on the front that says enjoy. And oh my gosh, Zenobia, first of all, you have the best handwriting ever. It says, happy 40th birthday, wishing all the best on your special day. I hope you enjoy my entry and it makes you feel special. It does. It already has. Because I'm always just like so touched that when people, that anyone would participate at all. It's just amazing to me. So, ooh, look at all these fun goodies in here. So first we have, oh my gosh, this is so funny because I just was seeing someone that had like ticket washing. I was like, man, I wish I had some. And now I do. Look how cute this is. All these really cute, like some of my favorite colors. Oh my gosh, I love. And then I'll open this. I'll open this last because there's a whole bunch of goodies in here. And then look at this really fun rhinestone trim. And I love this. And I used to use this so much and I haven't used it in a while. So I'm happy to have some of it. It says it has, does it say? It doesn't say how much is on here, but I know that it's a good amount. Yeah, because I've used this before. So thank you so much. And then look at these. These are wood tags. I have not seen these. How cute are these? Hampton Art. Oh, so these are fun. I love when they say thanks on them. So cute. Ooh, and look, she made some chunky rosettes for me. Let me open this up so that we don't have the glare on them. And they're so cute. Adorable. I love. And look how pretty. Okay. Oh, she put them in acetate too. So this one is like a peach kind of color. And then it has a bow on top. It has the tickets. This really pretty camera on the front, and then even like the gold in the background, these like doilies that she layered up. And on this one it has another rosette, a different kind of rosette though, and this tiny little bow and butterfly and this little ticket and this gold behind them. These are so pretty, and I love the paper in the background too. It's so pretty. It's double-sided too, so I love that because it's nice when, because like you could use this paper, you know, if you want. This is so pretty. Thank you so much, Zenobia. And look, she made a memory Jax. Oh my gosh, let me open this too and see, and I'll try not to show the back of it just in case she put her info on the back. Let's see here. So we do have, okay, no, she didn't. So we have this really pretty paper, and again, this can be used, which I love. And then look how pretty this is. So she made this really cute memory Jax, and she put all these pearls around here, and then this really pretty ephemera. Oh my gosh, I love this floral ephemera here, and I love how she added these pearls to it. I never like think to add, like, you know, dress up my ephemera. Like you could add your own gold on here if you wanted to. And then this one says sweet. This is a great way to use those letters because I never end up using them. And how pretty is this? And then she does have her info on the back. So her Instagram is Craft at Home and her YouTube is Craft at Home ZN. So I will have her YouTube in the title of this video, and I'll have her Instagram in the description bar. But she is Zenobia Noor, and that is so cute. Okay, and then let's open up this fun trinket box full of goodies. Oh my goodness. Trinket boxes are so fun to receive because they're like full of goodies, you know? And so she put this washi tape, which is such a good idea because I'm sure that I would have spilled it or it would have spilled in transit. Sorry if you hear my kids, guys. You already know. I always joke, I'm like my kids are feral. They're so cute. Wait. This is right up my alley. This is right up my alley. Look at it. It's like the Chanel. Is this a bead? It is a bead. OMG. This is going to be on the prettiest like pokey tool or pen ever. So pretty. Okay. So we have that. We have some bows. Adorable. Oh man, these are so good. I don't have a lot of like, you know, statement bows for my stuff. I have a lot of like, you know, round beads. I don't have a lot of statement beads. That's what I meant to say. I said statement bows, but I meant statement beads. And she has given me like so many. Oh, look at this black butterfly. This is so pretty. Okay, I have to put this aside for Halloween for sure. Look how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. And then look at this pretty butterfly. These tassels, always good. Such a staple. This really pretty, these bows are just so pretty. Oh my gosh. They're like gorgeous. Look at this pretty flower cabochon. I love that rose. And look at more butterflies. You hear my kids? Don't worry, they're having fun. More bows. Oh my gosh, and the butterflies are so pretty. And then look at this flower. This has a hole. So you could like use it as a cabochon, use it as a bead. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It's like a little mustache. I feel like it looks like a mustache. It's a butterfly when it's this direction. I feel like it could be like a mermaid tail and a mermaid swim. I have so many like things that I feel like that could be. And then all these like satin bows and little butterfly beads. Oh my gosh, these bows are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you gave me so many because I'm so tempted. Like, let me go order some. These are so pretty. And then look at these beads. Okay, these are stunning. This one right here, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at these beads, guys. They're so, 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 so pretty. I should turn this around so then I can put it in here. Look at this heart bead. Oh my gosh. These are like glass. They're so pretty. That is so pretty. And then another one of these flowers here. And then all these charms. Okay, another one of these really, I love these so much. They're so pretty. And I love that they're just, it's like clear and gold. I love that because that's what I'll likely use like the most of, you know? So we have some little tiny paper clips, which these are so pretty. They're in like a rose gold. And look how it's a star. I love stars. Oh man. I love stars. And then look at the leaves. These are so pretty. I have never seen these. Wait, these are perfect for fall. Let me show you guys. This one, I think. Yeah, that's all the leaves. Look how pretty these are, guys. These are gorgeous. Like, these are so, 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 so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the swirl on them. And then we have some more of these. Oh my gosh, the resin heart. Oh, I need 1,000,000 of these. This is so cute. Where are these from? These are so, so pretty. I love those. And then look here, we have some more satin bows and some stars. I love stars. Oh my gosh, I love this star. Uh-oh. Of course, they're going to go flying everywhere as I get down to the bottom. And then let me pour these into my hands because otherwise I'm going to spill them everywhere. And, you know, that would be classic me to spill them all over the place. Okay, let's try. We're going to try our best. Okay, so we have these. We know about these. We saw these stars. So pretty. Ooh, look at these bows, guys. They're like little tiny bow charms. Adorable. Flat back bows. Oh, these are so pretty. Where did you get these from? Please tell me. These are gorgeous. Oh man. Thankfully she gave me a bunch of them. And then these like cotton candy beads. Do you see them? They're so cute. They remind me of cotton candy. And then these gorgeous like they're butterfly charms. That's what they are. Well, we're gonna have things going everywhere in a second. And then these are little bees. They're like little metal bees. Can we see you guys? You guys, the bees, they're running away. They're running away. They don't want to be used. Don't use me. Don't use me. Just look at me. Okay. All right. All right. All right, guys, relax. Calm down. Everybody just calm down. I wanted to show you this this relief. It's so tiny in these crazy nails. Look how cute. I love Zenobia. Thank you so much for sending this in. Look at this look at this pretty bow. It's almost like black, like a black and blue mix. I love this. Trinket boxes are so much fun because they're just like it's like finding treasure, like buried treasure. Oh my god, I'm like, I have to use this like immediately. This is so stinking cute. Okay, I'm gonna go back and look at all of this again. Thank you so much, Zenobia. Make sure you guys subscribe to her YouTube channel and her Instagram, which all the info will be in the description bar. Make sure you subscribe here too if you're not, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.